It's time to get down and dirty. The winner will get their own special time with Katie. First up is going to be Brendan versus Hunter.
I'm not gonna get my ass kicked in front of Katie. I'm prepared to do anything to win.
Oh, okay.
Brendan's about 220, I'm 180.
Oh my God.
But I'm not afraid of these guys. They'll kick all their asses. Keep going.
Keep going.
Pick it up, pick it up.
The guys are really going at it.
He's just punching me.
The testosterone is flowing today.
Get him, you got him.
Good job, guys.
I think it's super hot. I'll take a cowboy.
Andrew S. and Kyle.
This sucks. Andrew plays football. I don't like my chances.
To my mom, you're the best person that I know. Thank you. My father, you're pretty cool too. My brothers, you can't have my stuff. Andrew, he can fight. I got my ass kicked. I'm more of a lover than a fighter.
Next up, Josh and John.
John is just, more of the fragiler guys here. Just such a nice guy. Super thin, though.
John, not exactly the fighting type, but that's why the ambulance is here.
Yeah, Big John, let's go.
Dirty boy. I like it dirty.
My chances are pretty awful. I'm hoping to last like 10 seconds out there before I'm unconscious.
Oh man, did that hurt? Come on.
Let's go. This isn't your senior prom. Let's go. It's a draw. It's a draw.
I am still breathing. I'm proud I didn't die. But yeah, all in the name of Katie.
Last one, we have Aaron and Cody. Woo! You know what to do. And you know what to do. Take off them shirts. They're avoiding eye contact. I was gonna say, do you see that?
There's tension.
Get on in there, nice and deep.
Cody and I know each other from back home. I've never been a fan of him, and he knows it. He's not here for the right reasons. And Cody's scrappy. He's going to really go for it. But
To get that one-on-one time and, getting through Cody in order to make it happen, easily done.
I don't think anything he's going to do will ever come close to beating me. I'm going to make sure I come out on top.
Cowboy up. Honestly, watching Aaron and Cody, immediately you can tell something is not right. It was aggressive. They went at it. Fight back! Come on!
There's clearly something going on.
Watching Cody and Aaron wrestle, I can tell there's tension. They're really taking this seriously, and there's something going on between them.
Let's go.
It was intense. Like, it felt personal.
Stay low, stay low.
There's something going on with them, whether it's in the house or just between them.
Overall winner, Aaron.
And if there is a problem with guys in the house, I want to address this head on, because these are things I need to know.